Have you ever felt lost or helpless when dealing with legal issues? Did you know the Indian Constitution guarantees free legal aid to those who cannot afford it? Whether you're a student, a layperson, or simply curious about how the law protects you, this video will empower you with knowledge about free legal aid in India. Stick around to learn how you or someone in need can access this fundamental right. Before diving deep into the topic, let's take a step back and understand why free legal aid is so important. Justice is a cornerstone of democracy, and access to it should not depend on your financial status. Yet, for many, navigating the legal system seems impossible without significant resources. This is where free legal aid comes into play. In this video, we'll discuss its meaning, who can benefit, the process of availing it, and what can you do if your rights are denied. Let's get started. Let's first understand what free legal aid actually means. Free legal aid ensures that justice is accessible to everyone, irrespective of financial constraints. Article 39A of the Indian Constitution emphasizes this by directing the state to provide free legal services to the needy. The Legal Services Authority Act 1987 further institutionalized this right by establishing legal aid mechanisms at various levels. For example, the National Legal Services Authority or NALSA coordinates free legal aid schemes nationwide. Its aim is simple: to bridge the gap between legal rights and access to justice. Next, let's discuss who can benefit from free legal aid in India. Under Section 12 of the Legal Services Authorities Act, several groups are entitled to free legal aid, including: first, women and children; 2. Scheduled caste (SC) and scheduled tribes (ST); 3. Victims of human trafficking or beggars; 4. Persons with disabilities; 5. Industrial workmen; 6. People earning below a specified income limit; 7. Victims of natural disasters, ethnic violence, or caste atrocities. For instance, in the case of Husainra Khatun versus State of Bihar, the Supreme Court highlighted the importance of providing free legal aid to under-trial prisoners who couldn't afford lawyers. This judgment revolutionized the legal aid movement in India. Now, let's look at the process of availing free legal aid. If you believe you're eligible, you can: first, visit the nearest Legal Services Authority office at the state, district, or national level. 2. Fill out an application form stating your legal issue and eligibility. 3. Submit necessary documents such as income proof for identification. The authority will assess your application and assign an advocate to your case. For example, a daily wage worker seeking compensation after a workplace accident can approach the District Legal Services Authority or DLSA for immediate support. Challenges in accessing free legal aid. While the concept is robust, there are challenges in implementation. Despite its noble intent, the system faces hurdles like lack of awareness, inadequate resources, and procedural delays. Often, beneficiaries are unaware of their rights. For instance, rural populations may not even know that legal aid clinics exist in their villages. In state of Maharashtra versus Manubai Pragaji Vashi, the Supreme Court stressed the need for competent legal aid lawyers, highlighting the disparity between demand and supply in the system. What to do if you're denied free legal aid? If you feel your right to legal aid is being violated, here's what you can do. First, approach the higher legal services authority like the State Legal Services Authority or SLSA or NALSA. 2. File a grievance with the concerned department or authority. 3. seek assistance from non-governmental organizations or NGOs working in the legal aid sector. Remember, the judiciary has repeatedly emphasized that denial of legal aid is a violation of fundamental rights. For instance, the Supreme Court in Khatri versus State of Bihar ruled that free legal aid is an integral part of a fair trial. Now, let's talk about some recent developments. In 2024, NALSA or NALSA launched a mobile app for easier access to legal aid services, allowing people to apply for legal aid online. Additionally, free legal aid camps have been expanded to remote and tribal areas, ensuring a wider coverage. Let's quickly recap what we have discussed. First, definition. Free legal aid ensures justice for all, irrespective of financial status. 2. Eligibility. Women, children, SC/STs, disaster victims and others can avail it. 3. Process. Apply through legal services authorities at any level. 4. Challenges. Lack of awareness and resources remain key hurdles. 5. Rights violation. Approach higher authorities or NGOs if denied. 6. Recent updates. New initiatives like mobile apps and legal camps are bridging gaps. Empower yourself with knowledge about free legal aid can make a world of difference. If you or someone you know needs help, don't hesitate to reach out. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more insights into Indian law. Drop your questions in the comments below and we'll address them in future videos. Remember, justice begins with awareness. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.